Hello my beautifuls, welcome back. My name is Yara. I hope you guys enjoyed this short tutorial on this summer colorful eyeshadow look. For today's tutorial I'm using the James Charles palette, and all I can say is that I'm obsessed with it, and I hope you guys enjoy and learn a lot. And now my loves, let's just jump straight to the video. Hi, welcome back. First I want to show you this stunning packaging. I know this palette has been out for a while, but I barely got my hands on it, and all I can say is that I'm obsessed with it. I feel like if you have this palette in your collection, you have everything you really need for summer, spring, fall, and even winter. It just has every color you can think of. Taking this beautiful fluffy brush, you guys already know this is by BH Cosmetics and the number 7. I'm taking this neutral color and I'm going to be applying it all over my crease. Like you can notice, it barely shows on my skin. You can notice it didn't show my skin at all, but keep in mind that I'm in the dark complexion. So anyways, to get more pigment out of this shadow, I decided to go with an orangey shade using the exact same brush, and I'm just going side to side. You can also do circular motions like you can notice here. And then once you're done blending that, you want to grab a smaller brush. I'm going to be using this tiny brush. I'm still not sure what brand this is, but I'll link it down below for you guys if I find it. Taking this smaller fluffy brush, I'm taking this yellow shade, and I'm gonna be basically using this yellow shade to blend all the other shades together, making sure everything looks nice. At the beginning, when I started doing this eyeshadow look, I wanted it to look like a sunset kind of eyeshadow look, but then I feel like I should add a little bit more yellow. Anyways, taking another brush. This is from the same brand as the one before, and I'm taking this beautiful red shade. All I can say about this red shade is that it's super pigmented. I know how hard it is to make a red eyeshadow, so I'm really impressed with this one. I really like it, and I'm sure the yellow makes it look a little bit orangey, but I don't mind at all. I think it looks stunning at the end. And with this kind of shades, you want to keep adding little by little. Anyways, my loves, I decided to go off camera and do one eye for you guys, and this is the end result. This is what I'm going to be teaching you guys today, and I hope you guys learn a lot. Anyways, moving on, I'm taking this flat brush. This flat brush is from Morphe. I love these brushes. I got it like in a 5-pack of brushes. I'm gonna be mixing these two purple shades right here and placing it all over the crease, and then using another flat brush. This is also by BH Cosmetics. I'm taking this glittery purple shade, but I do want to mention that I decided to spray the brush because the pigment wasn't really there at the beginning, so I decided to spray it, and it did help a little bit. But to be honest, it wasn't as pigmented as I wanted it to be, or I thought it was gonna be, but it's okay. I mean, it was the only eyeshadow that didn't impress me as much as the other ones. Going back with the same fluffy brush and the same red shade, I'm going to take and blend the purple shade a little bit more into intense that red shade. I didn't want to lose it at all. Going back with the same brush that we started with and making sure it's all clean. I'm taking it just to blend everything down, and taking this flat brush and this blue shade, I'm just going to add on my waterline. And I also decided to add a white eyeliner, and I think it opened my eyes. It made them brighter. And I'm just taking the pencil, and then with this mascara, I'm gonna be adding it on my bottom lashes. Moving on, taking a smaller brush. This is also by BH Cosmetics. Taking this beautiful blue glittery shade. I'm obsessed with it. Gonna put on my tear dot, and then moving on with the lips. This is the combo that I use for today's tutorial, and I'm obsessed with it. I love the nude and the glossy lipped. What do you guys thought about the whole look? Let me know down below. Leave your comments down below, and remember to subscribe because more Dollar Tree hauls are coming up, more makeup tutorials are coming up, so make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification so you don't miss my future videos. And now to finish the whole look, spraying this spray one more time. I do want to mention that I found them at Dollar Tree, and I also have this watermelon one, so I decided to spray the watermelon. I always forget about it, but they're both really great for setting your whole face, especially for all day. But yeah, All I can say is I'm obsessed with the palette, and I also wanted to share my shirt. I still don't know how I felt, but I did find it at Ross. I thought it was different, and I wanted to share it with you guys. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this eyeshadow look. I love you so much, and I'll see you on the next one.